ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am your host Kasim and you're watching our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're gonna talk about another awesome project. It's called Waterfall.network. So it's really amazing project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: this is not investment advice. I am not your financial advisor. So make sure to do your own research before any investment. I am not responsible for any profit and losses. So first of all the links provided in video description. You can check it out. Waterfall, a first following the scalable profit of the stake smart contract platform. About feature roadmaps, research paper, news, documentation, explore, and you can check it out. Donate to Ukraine, solving the telemetria and scalability solver, security solver, decentralized solver, and you can check it out. You will be get low transaction, highly scalable, highly decentralized. And here you can check it out the inter-blockchain communication, two-way of the bridger of the popular protocol, access to the large liquidity pool, simple token creation, low barrier at the entry, media. You can check it out the media partner, and you can also get the Discord, Telegram channel, Telegram group, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. What is DAG? DAG is a technology allowed Waterfall to highly scalable through the parallel simulation of the blockchain production, the true decentralization ecosystem, and you can check out the protocol. And here you can check out the progress completed 2021 entire project design, and you can check it out the project in the motion. You can check the roadmap, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, all the phase provided here, and you can check out all the information. Join the community, get in touch. So first of all, we are going to talk about the Twitter account. First of all, you can check it out. They have almost 18,000 plus follower, and here you can check it out is a compiling scalable, and you can check it out the latest information. Hello community, are you thinking about the starting the run nodes? And you can also run that nodes in the Waterfall.network. So it's really amazing project, and you can also check out all the information. You can also check out all the AML sessions and their latest update. Guys, if you want to invest in this project, make sure join all the social links for latest updates, and you'll be get follow the Twitter account, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, etc. what you want to, and you can check out all the information, AML session and community, everything right here. You can check out latest posts and everything right here. So let's go on the Telegram, and you can check out Waterfall. They have a 90,000 plus follower in the Telegram group, and combining scalable and decentralized non-use person via Telegram. You can also follow it. This is the official Twitter account, and they have 3,000 plus follower in that Discord. They have very big community, and this is the official YouTube channel. Simply click on subscribe, and then click on bell notification, and then click on all option. You'll be notified all the information, and you can also check out all the information, their videos, everything right here. You can also learn about this project easily. So you can check out the project economics in introduction. Goal tokenomics is a fundamental concept, decentralized system that large economic innovative encourage desired behaviors from the participant, including node user development and workers. The main goal is to create a self-sensibility of the self-regulating ecosystem that maximizes benefits of the all stakeholders. A well-designed token economic of the model also disconnected of the resource of the network, and you can check it out all the information easily, and you can check out their coin water and token coin flows, and you can check out the minting, block reward, premium burning, and the wallets and everything right here. You can also check it out all the things right here, and you can check out the token economics, goal, coin mining, base, transaction fees, and everything right here. You can learn everything about this project. So you can check out their simulations of network and the introduction. So first of all, let's check out the introduction about this project. Guys, as I already told you, this is the first highly scalable smart contract platform from the development of the various decentralized application dApps that distributed the protocol based DAG direct academic graph technology is the first finally proof of stake POS consents. And you can check out the information about this project, what makes Waterfall unique, what is block DAG, consumers economics, subnetwork, our review, and everything right here. So you can check out the explore testnet Waterfall network. You can also check out the testnet of this project, testnet statics, and you can check out the download node app window Mac. Reward per year 474%, reward per day 1.3%, and you can check out the epoch and everything provided here. Water earning per water, worker earning, you can also check it out, all the information and earning balance, rewards. If you want to download, simply click on download option and you can download easily. So let's go back on the website. We can talk about other feature. Simply click on donate to Ukraine. If you want to donate, you can also donate it, and you can check it out, the join the testnet, and you can also join the testnet, and you can see the roadmap, research papers, and you can check the research paper, latest news about the waterfall network, and you can check it out document. You can also explore the more thing about this project. So first of all, you can check out National Bank of the Ukraine if you want to donate for the Ukraine, and you can also donate your money for the good sins. And if you want to for USDT, and if you want to donate for Ukraine, you can also donate it. And this is very amazing. If you donate it, you will be get good. So here you can check it out research paper, and here you will be get find a selective waterfall research document diving into the detail which is make a waterfall protocol so performant, and you can check it out the published open access abstract, and you can check it out the white paper, and you can learn everything about this project. So let's go back on the, you can check it out there, explore testnet. If you want to testnet, you can also check out their latest testnet if you want to work it, and you can also check out the latest testnet and everything right here easily you can check them. So let's go back on the document, welcome to waterfall, and you can learn about this project first, and then you can work on it, and you will be get good things from it. Waterfall is scalable distributed ledger technology, and you can check out all the information about the project easily. It's a highly scalable and decentralized app contact project. So it's a genuine project of 2024. I hope you understand everything in this project. So if you want to invest in this project, make sure to do your research, then invest it. And I think its project is good, but do your research first, then investment. So you can learn, you can get the latest news about the waterfall network. Keep an update of the all the, and you can also check it out all the latest update and everything right here. This is the official network document, and you can check it out all the information right here. So you can check it out block search, and you can check it out the block search and hash and everything right here. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, and everything right here, you can do it easily. So if you want to join the testnet, simply click on join the testnet, and you can also join the staking waterfall test network statics window. Simply click on window, and you need to click download this on your window. So after downloading, let's wait some time, and you can download it, and you can be earning in balance this chart. I hope you understand everything. Simply download and use it. So you can check out the reward all member chain of the 12.5% all-time data. You can check out the water balance and everything right here. Faucets explore if you want to. You can also check out the latest faucets, explore copyright waterfall, and this is a very amazing project. You can also get the faucets, and here you can check it out the donate to Ukraine. I hope you understand everything. I am telling all the detail again and again because this project I think unique. So that's why I'm just sharing this project detail again and again before because I think some user not understand this project. But I hope if you don't understand anything, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely review. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video.